What is up, guys? Ton of the site. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an email signature in Zoho Mail. So first, you need to head over to your Zoho Mail website, and when you're redirected to the inbox section here on the right side, you will see the settings icon. Click on the settings icon, and then on the left side, scroll down a bit until you see the signature section. So click on the signature section, and then you need to name your signature. And after naming your signature, you need to do the signature like the you need to type in the signature. Let's say my name is Dan. I'll just type in Dan. And after that, if I want to make it bold, I'll select this text and click on bold to make it bold. And if I want to change the color, I will just click on this font color and I will choose as blue. And as you can see, it has been turned into blue, or let's say the background color is something like this. So I'll just change the background color. And after changing the background color, I'll keep it a lighter one. And as you can see, the background color has been changed and the font color has also been changed. So you can also just turn off the night mode if you don't want to. And when you are done, you need to just click on save to save your signature. And when you are clicking on save, here on the left side, you can see this is the signature that you have done and it has been saved. When you're done, click on this update to update it. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.